Hi guys, Celai here, back with another video. So today we're going to be making some spa sea soap. Last time we made soap, we had a great time and we just had a lot of fun with it. So this time we're going to be making one for my mom. So here my mom is cutting up the soap in little pieces because when you microwave them, it'll be easier to melt. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel because we have lots more soap recipes coming up. Now that it's all cut up, we're going to put the cubes in our microwave safe container. Then we can pop it in the microwave. When you put it in the microwave, put it in there for no more than 30 seconds at a time so the soap base doesn't burn. Now let the fun begin. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit to make sure that all the chunks have fully melted. Yep, it's fully melted. Now we're gonna add our additives. My mom's been doing a lot of research to find the benefits of kelp inside soap. Kelp is a seaweed that has lots of minerals, so that should be good for our skin. Today, we'll be adding a tablespoon of kelp. Me just being honest, this kelp smells like dirty seawater, but it's okay, I'll still try and use it. Introducing our handy dandy hand mixer. I really like it, but it's not the best, but it's a lot better than stirring it with your hands. Now we're gonna add a tablespoon of Bentonite Clay. Bentonite Clay adds a richer lather to your soap and is super cleansing for your skin. So we just realized that we can use the mixer to pop the clumps on top so that it'll mix better. And for the best part, we're going to be adding some sea moss and Bladderwrack powder. Sea moss is one of the best superfoods out right now, and it has 92 of the 102 minerals in your body. And it's super good for your skin, hair, and body. But oh my gosh, this stuff smells like a dirty pond. By the way, we added a half a teaspoon of the sea moss. Okay, so now we're gonna be using some lavender to mask the smell, like a lot of lavender. For those that watched my last soap making video, I said that we didn't want to add a lot of essential oils because we didn't want it to be too overpowering. But wait, scratch that, because we need this like real overpowering. Don't be shy, put some more. And some more. And even more. Now, welcome to the stage, our digital thermometer. The thermometer said like 119 degrees, so we gotta hurry up and start pouring because we don't want it to get too thick. Well, apparently my mom's enjoying herself way too much with this new hand mixer, so we're just gonna wait. Alright, so now it's time to pour. But wait, we're gonna be adding some sea salt because it's sea soap, so might as well put some sea salt. So there's things that I wish I did differently. One, I definitely should have added a lot less salt because that's a lot of salt. They don't need that much. Did you guys know that I just started my YouTube beauty series? Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my recipes, tips, and tricks for my very own skincare routines and hair care routines. The second thing that I could have done differently is after adding this soap, I could have used the swirling method to mix the salt with the soap at the bottom. I know a lot of people are upset about Corona and quarantine, but I've been enjoying quarantine way too much. Well, of course, because I'm an introvert and me and my mom have been able to do stuff that we never thought we'd be interested in before. Like, of course, making soap. And now we've been so interested in it and are really enjoying it. It's like a silver lining. The third thing that I could have done differently is soak the bottom salt with lots of rubbing alcohol so that maybe the soap would stick to the salt better, like it did on the top. And so we're gonna let this sit. So it's the next day and my soap is ready to unmold and cut. The final thing that I could have done is adding the salt directly into the soap base along with all the other additives. Even if the salt settled at the bottom of the soap, I think it will be a lot better than this. But it's totally fine because we can make a salt scrub with it. And this is the final product. This soap has a lot stronger smell of lavender than it did in my last soap, but I could still definitely smell the seaweed stuff. Alright, now it's time to cut. As you know, it's a 10-inch bar, so we're going to be cutting them into 2 inches but we're gonna be doing it better this time, more accurate. So this is what they look like. I'm actually pretty happy at how they turned out, and my mom actually really loves them, considering that she makes me lots of stuff, and I really appreciate her for that. So, I wanted to make her something for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Mom! Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below what you got your mom for Mother's Day. Bye!